Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can restore a previous version through the version history of your notes in Google Keep. So let us get started. So head over to Google Keep, access your notes, and let me go through that portfolio and select an example note by clicking into it. And let me add, for example, a change. For instance, let us correct that typo here and add some content, written content to it here below. And as you can see, these changes will be saved automatically. Now, if you'd like to return to a previous version of your note, all you need to do, guys, is navigate or hover your mouse over the given note. Click into these three dots here, select version history from the drop-down menu. And after that, you will see the version history here with these changes, for example, 1 minute ago, 5 minutes ago, and the current version, and simply clicking to download. And that is going to download it, for instance, as an HTML so that you may access it through the download folder and open it here via Google Chrome, for instance, or any other web browser while being logged in into your Google Keep account, of course. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.